Watch this. And I just put the show y'all. So I'm finna do some passion twist. Let's put the free shampoo in here. Then I'm finna go in my fave, Miracle Growth water. This is a new bottle. So this is.
Alright guys, so it's my hair's lucky day. I got all these products in the mail this week. I'm super duper excited, so let's get right into it. So the first product I got on Monday was the Miracle Growth Water. I've been using this for about almost a year on my hair, and it has done an amazing job, giving me some incredible results. If you guys like to see those results, please give this video a thumbs up and I will do so. But this product is amazing. If you have thinning edges, if you have bald spots, if you have alopecia, this stuff works. So make sure you go to miraclegrowthwater.com to check this out. I also got some basic hair care. This is a professional hair care line and it's amazing. This is the Hydro Lock shampoo and conditioner. So excited to give this a try. Check out Nappy to Straight on YouTube, and she has a link in her bio where you can purchase this. The person who created this is also Nappy to Straight on YouTube. She's an amazing person. She's my cyber mommy, so go check her out.